When it comes to manufacturing motorcycle parts, using computer numerical control CNC machining technology is an efficient and precise method. Through CNC machining, various motorcycle parts can be produced, including engine components, frame parts, braking systems, suspension components, and more. Firstly, let us take a look at several common motorcycle parts and their functions. Engine components, including crankshafts, connecting rods, pistons, cylinder sleeves, etc. These components are the core of the engine operation, affecting the motorcycle's performance and power output. Frame parts, such as frames, steering tubes, rear swing arms, etc. The frame is the backbone of the motorcycle, supporting the entire vehicle structure, ensuring stability and safety.
Braking systems, including brake discs, brake calipers, brake pumps, etc. These parts ensure the motorcycle's safety performance during operation, which is crucial for both the rider and other road users. Suspension components, such as shock absorbers, front forks, etc. The suspension system affects the motorcycle's comfort and handling, which is crucial for the riding experience.
When manufacturing these parts using CNC machining, attention should be paid to the following points. Precision issues. Motorcycle parts have very high precision requirements, especially for critical components such as engines and braking systems. Therefore, it is necessary to ensure the precision and stability of the machine during the machining process to meet the design requirements.
Assembly issues. The machining precision of parts directly affects the quality of assembly. Therefore, strict control of dimensions and shapes is required during the machining process to ensure the fit and sealing between parts. In summary, utilizing CNC machining technology to manufacture motorcycle parts has the advantages of efficiency, precision, and flexibility, meeting motorcycle companies' requirements for performance, quality, and cost. Combined with years of motorcycle manufacturing experience and emerging manufacturing technologies, motorcycle companies can provide more cost-effective products and reduce development costs, thus maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Contact us today to get your custom motorcycle parts.